Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Kubernetes Ingress after Nginx Ingress controller changes, full guide step by step clearly. To begin restoring Kubernetes Ingress after changes to the Nginx Ingress controller, ensure you have access to your Kubernetes cluster. First, check the current version of your Nginx Ingress controller. You can do this using the command kubectl get pods and namespace. Identify the namespace where your Ingress controller is running, typically Ingress Nginx. Next, inspect the logs of the Nginx Ingress controller to catch any errors related to the recent changes. You can view the logs by executing kubectl logs lapp.kubernetes.io/name =ingress-nginx and namespace. Next, analyze your current Ingress resources. Use the command kubectl get ingress and namespace to list all existing Ingress resources. Review the configuration of your Ingress definitions against the desired state. To examine a specific Ingress resource, run kubectl describe ingress name and namespace. If discrepancies exist, make the necessary corrections to the Ingress resource definition. You can edit the resource using the command kubectl edit ingress name and namespace. If you need to revert to a previous configuration, consider restoring from a backup if one exists. Use your backup method to apply the restored configuration to your Ingress resource. Once adjustments are made, confirm the Ingress is functioning correctly. Test access to the services behind the Ingress controller using a web browser or command line tool such as curl. Check the health of the Nginx Ingress controller itself. Execute the command kubectl get pods and namespace to ensure that all pods are running properly. If issues persist, consider redeploying the Nginx Ingress controller. Follow the deployment instructions specific to your environment. After redeployment, verify Ingress configuration once again to ensure stability. Make sure to monitor logs post-deployment for any errors that may arise. Keep an eye on the Kubernetes events for additional insights into the status of your Ingress resources. This thorough approach can help restore proper functionality of your Kubernetes Ingress after Nginx Ingress controller changes. Document any changes made during this process for future reference. Maintain valid backup practices to facilitate quick recovery in the future. Continuously monitor your Ingress resources and Nginx Ingress controller for optimal performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.